Dr. Tom Mulholland Last updated 5 o'clock, May 20, 2018. High five, mate. Having a dog is great for both our mental and physical well-being. There is plenty of evidence to suggest that having animals in your life can be good for your well-being. Our best friend is said to be a dog, and for good reason. Studies have shown that having a pet can reduce your blood pressure, give you less doctor's visits, unless you are allergic, reduce anxiety in children, and improve a number of well-being metrics. Dog owners have better strength and flexibility in old age due to a number of reasons such as increased exercise, and bending and standing on a regular basis to interact with their pooch. Having a dog also increases social interactions and can reduce loneliness in the elderly and those with limited social interaction. Dog walkers tend to make lots of new friends, especially if their dog is well-behaved and trained. I didn't grow up with dogs and was terrorized as an anxious 10-year-old paperboy by a few scary ones, so I can't remember what prompted me to get my first dog. Maybe it was foot rot, flats and Lassie, and the fact that my young son tested positive for dog allergy. So, I figured desensitization would work well by getting our first border collie. Sure enough, my son's allergy decreased. Note, I'm not recommending this, and we loved our dog and he became part of the family. Read more * Dr. Tom Mulholland. No one on their deathbed ever says * Dr. Tom Mulholland. Visualize it to make it happen * Dr. Tom. Accept people for who they are. One of the downsides of owning a pet is that they don't live as long as us, so the grief process gets a good workout when they pass on. My belief is that it helps us with other aspects of life, such as coping with death. Having been a doctor for many years, I have seen more than my fair share of death and grief, but for many people death of a pet is their initial experience with the grieving process. So, when my 23-year-old daughter told me she was getting her first border collie, there were mixed feelings of joy having another dog in the family, plus the responsibility that comes with being a pet owner. The SPCA has plenty of dogs people can't look after. It's a big commitment. Strong in her social justice values, she wanted a rescue dog. After searching rnzspca.org.nz and retiredworkingdogs.org.nz, she found the perfect dog for her, a border collie farm dog who wasn't very good at being a farm dog so was up for adoption. So, on my return from my current expedition in Greenland, I will be greeted with the new addition to our tribe. How exciting! There are many dogs in Greenland, but I'm not sure they would fit the description of pets. They are working dogs. We are encouraged not to pat them without the owner in attendance and with permission, which is pretty difficult as these huskies are seriously cute. We are lucky enough to get a lift on a dog sled to see a glacier on another island in this archipelago, with clear blue waters dwarfed by the Greenland ice shelf. I struggle to think of anything that could increase your well-being more than being towed by 12 enthusiastic huskies on a cloudless Arctic day across the frozen sea surrounded by majestic mountains. It is the epitome of relaxation. So maybe you want to increase your well-being by getting a dog, or even going dog sledding. I can highly recommend both. Walking a dog may be more beneficial for your physical health than being towed by a group of them, but both can help increase your mental health score under the right circumstances. Dr. Tom Mulholland is an emergency department doctor and GP with over 25 years' experience in New Zealand. He's currently a man on a mission, tackling health missions around the world. Stuff.